So listen, guys, we got some goodies in the mail a couple days ago, and we've been so busy we haven't even really had a chance to get it out and show you guys.
Yes, you all know how important with wreath making. I know that a lot of you make wreaths. Hey, Donna. Hey, Carrie. A lot of you, Brenda.
Hey, Brenda.
You all make wreaths, and you know that our tools are extremely important. I mean, we are constantly looking for the best tools that we can use for our wreath making, things that make it easier for us.
Hey,
and
Judy.
We are so excited about this.
So Judy's a first-time watcher. Welcome. We're so excited to have you.
Yes, glad to have you, Judy.
And if you're watching the replay, just put replay. This is live right now, but we will post it on our page so that you guys can watch. So most of you who have followed our page for a long time know that we make luxury wreaths.
Yes.
We sell out thousands of wreaths a year, and we need really great tools.
Yes, we do.
So many of you have asked us about our glue pot that we use.
Hey, Teresa.
Which we absolutely love. It's actually a glue skillet. Sometimes I call it a glue pot.
Yeah, we call it a glue pot. Michelle, hey.
It's a glue skillet.
Nice to see you watching for the first time, Michelle.
Michelle.
Sorry.
Teresa. So this is the glue skillet that we use to make our wreaths. We started out using a glue gun, but when you're making multiple wreaths, you definitely need a product that can keep up with you.
Yes.
So we started using this really great glue skillet from Surebonder.
And we love them.
We love this glue
We've got
skillet.
Probably, I don't know, 6 or 8 of them. We've got
several
got
of
them
them
everywhere.
And you guys have asked us about this, and we keep referring you back to this glue skillet because we just use it. We just love it so much, and we use it all the time.
Yes.
But we got a really
even
fun surprise in the mail today from Surebonder. Or actually, we got it a couple days ago, but Surebonder sent us this really, really awesome new thing that they have.
Yes.
So we're going to show you.
Yeah.
So it is their brand new
professional
glue
skillet. It is for people who are like us that make wreaths.
Yeah, so look, I mean, we have our very own glue skillet that is perfect.
It is
for us designers, floral designers, wreath designers.
And not only that, but I love the design of it. It is so neat looking. It's bright and cheerful, and I just love it. Look at that.
So I'm just going to show you and let you compare the old one that we've been using.
Yes.
This is the older version, which is still available, and this is awesome. We love this product.
It is, but I'm excited about using this one. And this one has an on-off switch. It is amazing. Look at that.
And Judy, hey guys, so that the old one, it did have where you could adjust the temperature. So it did have the knob where you could adjust the temperature, which I really liked because sometimes it did get hot and would smoke and you could just lower the temperature, which is a really great and convenient thing to have. But this one is even more convenient.
Yes, and
because it does have the on and off switch.
Yes, it does. It sure does. And it's got, you can still adjust the temperature.
So I'll just let you guys see that up close. It's this really cool lime green color, so it's going to look good sitting on our table.
I love anything that's bright and cheerful, and this is perfect. I can't wait to use it.
Yes, so guess what, guys? If you type in the comment section, if you type the word glue into the comment section, we will send you the link where you can purchase this brand new glue pot.
And you're going to love it.
This is a professional grade. So if you are a wreath maker, you make multiple wreaths, this is your business, or even if it's just a hobby, but you do it a lot for friends and family, this is the best investment. I mean, really, it's going to make your life so much easier. So type glue in the comment section, and we will send you the link to Surebonder where you can purchase this glue.
Yes, directly from them, and it is just great. And not only that, but they have
they sent us
the glue pellets for them, so you do not have to cut up glue sticks or anything like that. You just use the glue pellets, which are made to go directly in the pot. So
yeah, and Judy said no more handle. So look,
isn't that great?
Look at the old one and look at this one compared.
Yes,
so you're not taking up your whole table. You're not taking up so much space.
No, you're not. And also, glue. We're creatives. We're messy. It's just the nature of it. And you don't have, with no handle on this one, you don't have glue getting all over your handle. I can't tell you how many of them I've had to get my husband to unstick here because I've gotten glue on it.
Yeah,
you know,
us wreath
So,
designers
yeah,
and
we're
floral
messy.
designers. We're
So,
not the neatest bunch. A lot
this
of
is
us, so.
perfect. I mean, I'm so excited about it.
Yeah, I had no idea that they had this brand new product out.
No,
because I was
didn't.
still using the older version.
Yes.
I had no idea about this, but they sent us this really awesome glue pot, and I'm so
We are
excited
so
to
thankful
use it.
for
Glue
that.
skillet. I always call it a glue
I know
pot.
we have always called it a glue pot, but it is a
Glue
glue
skillet.
skillet. Yes.
And so
Yes.
the company that makes this is Surebonder. They are an incredible company that we have been using their products.
Oh, I've been using them
years.
for probably 10 years, probably
time,
at least 9 or 10 years, and absolutely can't think of any that I would use other than this.
Yeah.
I mean, I love it. So
yeah. So we're really excited about that. You can get the glue pellets, and like I said, type the word glue into the comments.
Yes.
And we will send you the link to where you can find this glue skillet.
Yes.
I'm just super excited because this is going to make my wreath designing so much.
I love the on-off
easier.
switch because that is going to make it, easier. The other one you just could cut down, and just unplug. But this one's actually got an on-off switch, so that is amazing. And something else, it takes a while for your glue to melt. Which, I mean, I still love this one. Don't get me wrong. Like I told you, I've been using it forever. But this, it says that the glue will melt in 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
So if you already use a glue skillet, just put in the comments and let us know. Or if you're still using a glue gun, let us know. And
make sure that you do type in glue so that if you want the link to where you can get this.
Yeah.
Because I really think that if you make wreaths, you're going to want this. I mean, that's just my honest opinion. So
we'll start using this one in our lives. We're really excited about it. We're very thankful for the people at Surebonder because we love their products.
Yes.
They are awesome. Let's see. Freddie and Rosemary.
Probably
where
Rosemary.
Did we get it?
Yes, Rosemary just put it. Yes, you did it. You put glue, and then we'll send you the link where you can get it. So we are just tickled to show it to you all.
Yeah.
And we can't wait. I'm fixing to fill it up with glue right here in just a few minutes and start to use it.
So awesome. So we've got some really exciting things going on here at Grace Monroe Home, and we just want to keep you guys informed on everything. And we're so blessed and so thankful for each of you that watch our lives.
Thanks,
Thank
Teeny,
you so
for
much.
sharing.
And Teeny, I saw your live broadcast last night. Great job.
Yes, great job.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you know that we tell other wreath makers who have businesses to do Facebook Lives because that is the way to get your products and your name out there.
Exactly.
And Teeny did a Facebook Live last night, so I'm very proud of her. She did a great job.
Yes, she did.
So thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned because we are going to be showing you some really new and fun, exciting things. And we're going to show you exactly how to use this glue pot in a couple of days.
Yes, we are. Probably, I think Tuesday is, so make sure we may be live between now and Tuesday. I'm not sure, but at least I know we are. Probably so. So just keep checking our Facebook page and you will see.
So I hope you guys have a great day. I know it's kind of a little bit early for some of you.
Yes.
And thank you so much for watching, and we will talk to you guys soon.
You have a blessed day.
Bye, guys.